Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming software and power basics so the fix applies correctly. Check the MIUI and Android build numbers, then enable developer options and USB debugging. This lets you access sensor calibration tools. Make sure battery is above 30% and turn off battery saver or aggressive power profiles because they can throttle sensors. Once done, reboot once to clear temporary issues and open settings, right arrow display, right arrow auto, rotate to verify gyro influence on orientation before moving to deeper calibration steps. You now perform the calibration sequence that resolves most delays. Open the service or test menu and run the accelerometer and gyroscope tests. Follow prompts to place the phone flat and rotate slowly when requested. Use developer options sensor calibration if present, or a trusted third-party app to record live graphs and apply offsets. Make sure to complete several rotations and pauses because smoothing algorithms need varied input to adjust. After calibration, reboot to let the system reapply corrected sensor offsets. You finish with configuration tweaks and a clear fallback plan. Disable motion smoothing, game mode optimizations, and any third-party apps that intercept sensor data because they introduce processing delay. If the problem started after a firmware update, try updating again or rolling back to the previous stable ROM. Flashing stock firmware can restore proper sensor calibration. If none of this works, perform a full backup and factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if gyro remains laggy after reset, suspect hardware fault and seek authorized service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.